In this quick video, I'm going to explain how to use and activate Autopilot on a Tesla Model 3. If you're new to Tesla or just need a refresher, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. To activate Autopilot, ensure your car's software is updated for the latest features. When driving on highways or clear roads, double-press the right scroll wheel on the steering wheel or pull the gear selector stalk twice. You'll see a gray steering wheel icon. This means Autopilot is ready. Once conditions are safe, the icon turns blue and Autopilot takes over. Remember, keep your hands lightly on the wheel. You're still responsible for monitoring the drive. Adjust speed and distance using the scroll wheels. To disengage, simply tap the brakes or gently turn the wheel. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Tesla tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.